Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment, YouTube questions and topics. The informations of this video are from Google search and supportgoogle.com. Our question for today is, how do I claim my bonus payment from the Shorts Fund? Qualifying creators can select claim bonus in email or in-app notification to go to the Short Fund page in YouTube Studio. From this page, creators need to complete 2 steps to claim their bonus. These are: number 1, accept the bonus term, and number 2, set up or link an AdSense account. For channels with an active and linked AdSense account, or those that receive payment from an MCN or network, your bonus will be claimed after completing these 2 steps. If you set up an AdSense account, it may take a few days for YouTube to create and link the AdSense account to your channel. YouTube will email you once the account is linked and confirm whether your bonus has been claimed. So just follow these 2 steps and you will be able to claim your Shorts Fund. So this is my reference of this video from Google search and googlesupport.com. A million thanks to all my channel member. They are Jeneline Mix Vlog, Katoto Kamotur Vlog, Mirasol Idlon TV, Ruch Joel, Ganya Official, Anji TV, and Bert Lambujo. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. Bye for now.